Harvest na, harvest.
Yeah.
Harvest time. Harvest!
Almost.
Look!
The blueberries are still not done. Probably gonna be alright.
Wait, I'll get something at home.
She's gonna get some bucket. So many.
But we should probably harvest it tomorrow.
Bring it there.
Mm.
But do they have?
Huh?
Do they have this?
Probably not. So we can give them some repeat.
Yeah, so hi everyone. We're gonna show you how we harvest a little bit of our current plant of fruits. So I'm gonna show you because we are harvesting a little bit because we're gonna give it to the neighbor. So Zoe is harvesting it. There she is.
This one has green. Just gonna take that out and
She's picking only the red ones because
it needs to be only red.
it's not really.
The red ones are really easy to find.
Well, there are plenty of red ones. Just at the end of it, there is always not ripe one. See this? Look at that.
But there's a lot of red ones here. I don't know which one has green, so that one has green.
This one. We have to be very careful because there are some branches which is very fragile. Wait.
Oh, thank you.
We'll only get a bit today. We'll do the rest tomorrow.
Yeah, because we need to save some for us.
Yes.
Hi, Adam.
Hi, Adam.
Frankie. Daddy.
There you go. Adam is everywhere.
He
You
doesn't
see
want
that?
to stop walking around. Only
Have
when
to
he's
grab it like.
sleepy.
Let's see on this one. Maybe this is many more of complete red. This one is actually a lot smaller than the other one. That other one has bigger. There you go.
That is so small.
Because I'm picking the most ripe one. This one.
Okay. I think I will also do that.
There you go.
There's a lot. There's a lot.
Here is also look at that. There are ants. Ants like this.
Yeah, because it's sweet.
Yeah, that's right. It's a sweet fruit. Sweet and sour actually.
Yeah.
It's a bit sour.
But today it isn't.
It isn't what? It isn't sour. Yeah, so many. The black one is not ready yet. Only the red ones.
And those ones are green, I think.
Huh?
Or are they?
The-
No, they're green. This black one is green. the box.
Day 2. Zoe is harvesting another red currant. And in like an hour we are going for COVID test. Me and my husband needs it to cross the border of Austria and Slovenia. Yeah, so Adam is right there.
I'm picking
Adam
up
is
the green
right
one,
there.
and down the tunnel he goes. Boop! It's on the ground.
Don't pick with the green one.
I'm picking the green one and then drop the green one, so I can pick up the.
And hold it. I told you to hold it because it might break. That's right. Yeah, so I'm just wearing this. We're going to test just this first change shoes.
Look at this. We have to eat it today.
Nash me.
We need to have a lot in the bowl.
In the bowl? Ah, you can see the bowl. Good.
We don't have something. There's an.
Oh no, it got
What?
stuck there. His hat got stuck there. Careful, no, Adam. Don't step on my succulents. I have succulents there with flowers already.
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
You want to see it go high up?
Yeah. Ew.
So yeah,
Ant.
And
it's just ant.
take them off.
I said, ew. Ew.
You just drop it. Pick it up. It's just ant.
I don't like to feed the plants.
Okay, go harvest. Adam, do you want? No.
He's more into strawberries. Daddy.